In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up cron-based scheduled tasks in WordPress. For those of you who might not be fully familiar, cron jobs are a great way to automate routine tasks on your website, such as clearing caches or sending out automated emails at specific intervals. This can be incredibly time-saving and help keep your site running smoothly without needing constant manual input. To begin, you'll first need to log in to your hosting control panel. cPanel is one of the most common, but the steps should be similar if you're using another interface. Once you've logged in, you're going to want to find where you can manage your cron jobs. This is typically located in a section labeled Advanced or something similar. If you're having trouble finding it, a quick search within the control panel is usually all it takes. Now, within the cron jobs section, you have the opportunity to set up a new cron job. This is where you'll specify how frequently the task should be executed. For regular tasks that don't need to run every minute, setting them to run every 5 or 15 minutes is a common choice. This is often enough to maintain efficient operation while minimizing server load, especially if the task is relatively lightweight. As you set up the timing for the cron job, you'll see options broken down into minutes, hours, days, months, and even days of the week. This granularity lets you tailor the schedule precisely to what suits your needs best. For many general maintenance tasks, a frequency of every 15 minutes strikes a balance between effectiveness and performance. However, if you're unsure, consulting with your hosting provider can often provide valuable insights specific to your server setup and configurations. After you've configured the schedule, you'll need to define the command that the cron job will execute. The command typically involves some form of a script or an executable file that you or a plugin on your WordPress site have set up to perform specific tasks. Make sure you've copied the path correctly, as a slight typo can cause the entire operation to fail silently. Once everything is set up, most control panels will provide you with the option to test the cron job right away, ensuring it's configured correctly and that your script runs without issues. Don't skip this step. Testing is crucial to confirm that everything works as intended. That's about it. With your cron job now set up, your WordPress site is a bit more automated, and you should experience the benefits of having routine tasks handled behind the scenes. This increased efficiency will free up more of your time to focus on your content and visitors. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough has made setting up cron-based scheduled tasks in WordPress clearer and simpler for you.